So I was able to earn over 100,000 naira using this platform you are seeing on my screen right now called Piggyvest. So the reason why I'm making this video is to show you step by step what I was able to do to earn over 100,000 naira using this platform called Piggyvest, so you can be able to take the same step that I took to get exactly the result that I got, or even get more results, right? So in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I'm Leo and I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead, smash that subscription button. But hey, after smashing the subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome video just like this one you're watching. And to my returning subscribers, guys, I want to use this opportunity to say welcome back to this channel. I appreciate you always coming back each time you get notification of a new video, and I do not take you for granted, not even for one. So guys, I'm going to take us through 3 steps, right? The first step is to take you through the registration aspect of this platform. The second step is to show you exactly what I was able to do to earn over 100,000 using this platform called Piggyvest. And the last but not the least is to show you how you can be able to withdraw your earning, and that is the sweetest part of the video. Just like I always say on my videos, making money online is one thing and being able to withdraw your earning is another thing, right? So use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video, right? Just go ahead, use 3 seconds, click the like button to show appreciation of the value you are going to get, and let's get into it. So first thing first, let's go through the registration aspect. I want you to visit your Apple Store or your Google Play Store, download the platform called Piggyvest. Go through the registration aspect by typing your first name, your last name, type in your BVN, your NIN, confirm your address by uploading your utility. Just navigate the registration aspect. It doesn't take time to do that. So once you are done, I want you to follow me to the screen of my phone so I can show you exactly what I was able to do to earn over 100,000 naira using this platform. So let's go, guys. All right, guys. So once you are done with your registration, this is the interface you are going to see. I want you to click over here, right, that says account. Okay, so once you click on account, I want you to do something. I want you to verify your Piggyvest account. All right, so over here I want you to make sure your profile setting is complete. Over here, type in your BVN, your NIN, complete your KYC, and then fill in the details of your next of kin and just verify your Piggyvest. So once you are done with the verification, I want you to check out for the investment you would want to venture into. Okay, so by clicking over here that says invest, by clicking on invest, it's going to show you some investment, and then for you to see the whole of investment that Piggyvest has for the as at the time, I want you to click here that says find more. Okay, so as to list the whole investments available. So when you look over here, you will see that Piggyvest has various investments. This first one is real estate. Okay, the second one is also real estate. This is corporate debt. And when you scroll more down, you are going to still see other ones like sovereign debt. And I think Piggyvest also do agriculture investments also. Okay, but it has been long, so I recommend that you check your Piggyvest every single day, at least once a day. Okay, the investment that I love to do is real estate, which is this one. Okay, so when you look at this, you will discover that a unit or a share of this particular investment is sold for 19,853 naira 23 kobo. But when this came out newly, it was sold for around 5,000 naira per share. So that is the reason why I recommend that you check Piggyvest every single day, at least once every single day. It was at 5,000 naira, but the more it's staying, the more people are buying, the more the price or the rate increases. Okay, and then I think this particular share, they've bought all of them. Okay, but you can still buy, but you're not buying from an existing investor. Let me show you an example. If you click on buy over here, like let's say we want to buy this share. Okay, so once you click on the buy, it will ask you how many shares that you want to buy, which is over here. Okay, just type in how many you want to buy. Let's say 50 shares. Okay, so once you type 50 shares, it is going to automatically search for someone that is selling already, an existing investor that is selling already, and then this timing over here is showing you how many seconds is remaining for you to say. Just click over here. Okay, just click over here to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you click over there, I want you to proceed by clicking buy shares. So once you click on buy shares, it is going to deduct money from your Flex wallet. I'm going to show you Flex wallet. I'm going to show you how you can be able to fund your Flex wallet, because that is where they are going to deduct money in order to purchase these shares that you want to buy. Okay, so before buying it, let's go. Let me go and show you how you can be able to fund your Flex wallet. Okay, so I want you to click over here that says home. Okay, once you click on home, or rather you can as well click over here instead of going to home, just click over here that says savings. Okay, so once you click on savings, over here is the Flex Naira. Okay, this is the Flex Naira. All right, so you click on Flex Naira. So once you click on Flex Naira, when you look over here, you will discover that I already have an account assigned to me that I can use to fund my Flex wallet. And over here is the amount I currently have on a Flex Naira. Okay, so if you do not have any bank details yet that you can use to fund your Flex wallet, this is how you can actually create an account. Just click over here that says add money. Okay, so once you click on add money, it is going to show you your account details that you have already. But if you are yet to create an account details, I want you to click over here that says create new account. So you click on create new account, this is the interface you are going to. So I want you to click over here so that you can see the various bank account that they have for you to create. You can choose either Sterling Bank or Paystack. All right, so anyone you choose, just click on it. Piggyvest is going to just lift your already details that you used in creating Piggyvest and then create the account details for you. It doesn't take up to a minute. Just within seconds, they are going to create an account details for you. So once you are done creating the account details, I just want you to copy the account details and then go straight to your local bank accounts. Okay, and then make a payment or transfer a certain amount of money that you would want to. So by clicking over there, I've already copied my account details. So I am going to my local bank account in order to fund this Flex Naira just for the purpose of this video. Okay, when you look over here, you will see that I have around 600,000 on my Flex Naira. So I will be going to my local bank account in order to send a certain amount just for the sake of this video. All right, so I'm in my account, so I'm going to click over here in order to send money. Right, click other bank and then select the particular bank that I want to send money to. So it is a Paystack, so I'm going to click on Titan. Okay, then paste the account details and click on confirm receiver. So when you look over here, you discover that it is showing my name. Okay, so I'm going to proceed by typing the certain amount I would want to send to my Flex Naira on Piggyvest. Okay, so let me send at least 400,000. I'm just going to write description, just write anything, payments, then click on transfer. Right, it's successful. Right, so I'm going to refresh my Piggyvest to know if the money has reflected. It doesn't take time to reflect. Okay, just refresh your Piggyvest. Boom, it has arrived to my Flex wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on Flex Naira and then boom, it has already arrived. So I am currently having around 1,022,000. So I'm going to check the transaction histories, and when you look over here, you discover that the money just came in, which is 400,000. Now you've known how to fund your Flex Naira, and then let's proceed with the investment. So you have to click over here which says invest. So once you click on invest, it's going to show you the various investments that Piggyvest have at the moment. Just click over here that says find more to show you the list of the whole investment, and then make your choice. Click on the particular one you want to invest in, then click over here that says buy. Once you click on buy, you are going to type in how many shares you would want to buy. Okay, then type in how many shares, let's say 50. Okay, then click over here to accept the terms and condition. All right, so once you click there to accept, just go ahead and click over here that says buy share. So I am late to this particular investment. I am waiting for the March own. As at the time I'm making this video, this is February. Okay, so but I'm going to show you the one I have invested in already. So when you look over here, this is the amount I've already invested, and over here is the particular one I invested in. This is real estate. Okay, so I'm going to click to open it so you can see the details of the investment. This is the capital I invested, which is 330,000, and over here is the profit I got, which is 106,771 naira also. Okay, so this is the one I invested in this as at March last year, 2024. Okay, so it is going to be due by March. I'm making this video February 27th, 2025, and then next month is going to be March, so that is when it's going to be due. And then once it's due, this money is going to reflect to my to my flex naira. This money you are seeing right here is going to reflect on my flex naira. So this is it, guys. If you have gotten to this point, I want you to do something for me. I want you to go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video, right? And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. I want you to go ahead, smash that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead and smash the subscription button. But hey guys, after you must have smashed that subscription button, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button, because what this bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome video just like this one you're watching. All right, so with all this being said, guys, see you on the next one. But before seeing you on the next one, guys, I recently created a WhatsApp group. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Click the link, join the WhatsApp group. What we do in this WhatsApp group is to upload various ways, strategies, methods you can be able to earn a lot of money for yourself online and offline before we can even talk about bringing it here on YouTube. So waiting for you guys right there in the WhatsApp group. Cheers. What's up, beautiful people? I'm sure you enjoyed this video, so why don't you use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, go ahead and smash that subscription button. Smash the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.